Hello students, in the last video lecture I explained you few properties of acids and you can say few chemical reactions of acids. So now the next chemical reaction or next chemical property of acid is reaction of acid with base. Reaction of acid with base. This reaction of acid with base is also called neutralization reaction. So let us see what happens when acid reacts with base. So when acid reacts with base, it forms salt and water. This is the generalized equation. So let us see the example. When acid HCl, hydrochloric acid react with base. Base is sodium hydroxide. Sodium hydroxide is base. When HCl, acid reacts with base, then salt and water will form. So this is very important reaction. What happen when acid react with base? When acid HCl react with sodium hydroxide base, then salt and water form. How it form? In HCl there is Cl and in sodium hydroxide there is sodium. Then NaCl, this NaCl will be a salt, and what is left? OH and H. So H do H, H2O, H2. So this is the balanced chemical equation. So this is called neutralization reaction, very important reaction. And after neutralization reaction, the next one is reaction of acid with metal oxide. So acid we have taken now H2SO4 and metal oxide CuO. So reaction of acid with metal oxide, what happened? Let us see. Salt and water will form. When acid react with metal oxide, again salt and water will form. Let us see how it form. Now Cu is copper and SO4 is sulfate. So copper sulfate salt will form. CuSO4. Copper sulfate. Copper from CuO, sulfate from H2SO4. Copper sulfate will form. So what will left? O and H2 means H2O. So this is a balanced chemical equation in which acid react with metal oxide, gives salt and water. Acid is sulfuric acid and metal oxide is copper oxide we have taken here, and salt is copper sulfate and water hydrogen oxide. So this is the another reaction which acid actually exhibit. So next is bases. Next topic is about bases. Acid we have covered, and now for bases we will see what happen. Bases for 4 or 5 points are there. Bases are bitter in taste. Acid was sour in taste and bases are bitter in taste. Bases turn red litmus blue. As acid turns blue litmus red, so bases turn red litmus blue. Bases give OH negative ions in water. एसिड H पॉजिटिव देते थे तो बेसिस क्या दे रहे हैं हमें? OH नेगेटिव आयंस इन वाटर, एंड द सॉल्यूशन ऑफ बेसिस इन वाटर conduct electricity as in case of acid. So these are the 4 points of bases, that bases are bitter in taste, bases turns red litmus blue, bases give OH negative ions, and other points are also like how bases behaves with methyl orange indicator, with phenolphthalein indicator, with onion indicator. So there are so many difference between acid and bases. If you compare when you apply the indicator, means for methyl orange indicator will respond differently, bases will respond differently, acid will respond differently. So these all are the difference point of differences. So acid base. Now let us classify the base on the basis of their strength. Strength means what? Some bases are strong bases and some bases are weak bases. What are strong bases? What are weak bases? So let us find it. Strong bases का मतलब क्या है, इसको समझना पड़ेगा कि जब बेस को हम पानी में घोलते हैं, when we dissolve any base in water, then it breaks into ions. ये सोडियम है, ये OH है, 2 आयंस हैं, ये टूट जाएंगे, बीच में से क्या हो जाएंगे? ब्रेक हो जाएंगे. सोडियम पॉजिटिव अलग हो जाएगा, OH नेगेटिव अलग हो जाएगा. इसमें सोडियम भी है, Na भी है, OH भी है. सो these ions will breaks. So you can say this base breaks into ions. ये जो ions बने हैं, अब होता क्या है स्ट्रॉन्ग बेसिस में कि इफ़ यू हैव टेकन 10, suppose if you have taken 10 NaOH molecules, if you have taken 10 NaOH molecules and you dissolve it in water, then all 10 molecule will dissociate, giving 10 Na or 10 OH. So what are strong bases? Strong bases completely breaks. मतलब if you have taken 10 molecules of NaOH, then all 10 molecule will dissociate, means 10 Na or 10 OH will form. This is called strong base. What is strong base? Strong base are those bases which completely dissociate. Dissociate means break हो जाते हैं. Which completely dissociate into ions in aqueous solution. Aqueous solution का मतलब है पानी में जो उसको घोलते हैं. So example है strong base की NaOH, KOH. So any base which completely dissociate means how many molecules we have taken, all the molecules breaks, all the molecules dissociate. This is called strong base. And what is weak base? Weak base is those base, suppose its example is ammonium hydroxide NH4OH. The base, if this weak base, if you have taken 10 molecules, then maybe 4 molecule will break into ions. Only 4 molecule will dissociate into ions and the 6 will left intact. You can say 6 will not break, वो ऐसा ही रह जाएंगे. So ऐसे बेस जो सिर्फ पार्शली डिसोसिएट हों, जो कम्प्लीटली डिसोसिएट ना हों, जो कम्प्लीटली टूटे ना, उसको हम बोलते हैं किसमें? पानी में. जब उसको पानी में घोले कम्प्लीटली आयंस में ना ब्रेक हों, ऐसे जो बेसिस होते हैं उनको हम बोलते हैं वीक बेसिस. दोज बेसिस विच do not completely dissociate into ions, like ammonium hydroxide. The example of weak base is ammonium hydroxide. Example of strong base is sodium hydroxide. Similarly students, there are strong acid and weak acids also. Same definition is applied. The acid which completely dissociate, like HCl. HCl is a acid which when we dissolve in water, it completely dissociate into ions, it completely breaks up into ions. So this is called acid. Acid is a substance when dissolved in water, it completely dissociates into ions. Similarly, weak acid is a substance which partially, or you can say do not completely dissociate into ions. These are called weak acid. ये CH3COOH, इसको अगर पानी में घोलें, एसिटिक एसिड बोलते हैं, तो ये टूटता तो है लेकिन completely नहीं टूटता. अगर 10 लेंगे तो उसमें से 4 या 5 ही टूटेंगे, बाकी इंटैक्ट रह जाएंगे, ऐसे जुड़े हुए ही रह जाएंगे. एक बात और इसमें देखो, जब पानी में हमने घोला, इसको H2O में घोला, when we dissolve NaOH into H2O, then ions form, and ions के साथ साथ मैंने AQ लिखा है यहाँ पे. AQ मतलब aqueous मतलब पानी में घोला गया है इनको. We have dissolved base in water, that's why aqueous I have written here in the bracket. So this is called strong acid, strong base, weak acid, weak base with examples. Now let us explain the basis on the basis of concentration. On the basis of concentration we have to define bases. So two types of bases are there, dilute bases and other are concentrated bases. So on the basis of concentration we just classify the bases as dilute bases and concentrated bases. Let's first define dilute bases. इनकी एक डेफिनेशन है, उसको हम बाद में पढ़ेंगे. पहले आप ये देखो कि इसका समझ लो कि क्या होता है dilute bases. Suppose we have water, we have a container and it contains water is there in the container. So we had some quantity, we add some quantity of base in it, because base is like this, base molecules are like this. We have added some quantity of base in it, then this quantity of base is very less. The quantity of base is very less. So larger quantities of water, very less quantity is of base. So this is a solution. बेस सोल्यूशन आप इसको बोलेंगे. दिस इज सोल्यूशन इन विच वाटर एंड बेस इज प्रेजेंट. वी मिक्स वाटर विद बेस, बट वाटर इज इन लार्जर क्वांटिटी. वाटर है वो क्या है, लार्जर क्वांटिटी है, लार्जर क्वांटिटी. एंड जो बेस है वो है वेरी वेरी स्मॉलर क्वांटिटी. इसकी जो क्वांटिटी क्या है, स्मॉलर है. सो ऐसे सोल्यूशन जिसमें एक्वा सोल्यूशन है, ये पानी में ऐसा एक्वा सोल्यूशन जिसमें बेस है बहुत कम मात्रा में है और वाटर है वो ज़्यादा मात्रा में, ऐसे सोल्यूशन को बोलते हैं हम डिल्यूट सोल्यूशन या डिल्यूट बेसिस. सो डिल्यूट बेसिस क्या है, वो एक्वा सोल्यूशन जिसमें बेस की मात्रा कम है, उस बेस की क्वांटिटी कम है. बेस की क्वांटिटी को बोलते हैं हम कंसंट्रेशन. बेस की क्वांटिटी को बोलते हैं बेस की कंसंट्रेशन. सो बेस कंसंट्रेशन इज लेस, सो द सोल्यूशन हैव लो कंसंट्रेशन. कंसंट्रेशन मतलब क्वांटिटी ऑफ बेस. जिसमें बेस की क्वांटिटी कम है उसको बोलेंगे हम डाइल्यूट सोल्यूशन, और जिसमें बेस की क्वांटिटी ज़्यादा है उसको क्या बोलेंगे हम, कंसंट्रेटेड सोल्यूशन. जैसे हमने एक अनदर एग्जांपल लिया, अनदर कंटेनर लिया जिसमें हमने वाटर डाला, लेकिन इसमें हमने फिर क्या डाला, बेस. क्या डाला इसमें, बेस. बेस को हम इससे रिप्रेजेंट करेंगे. तो लेकिन इसमें जो बेस डाला वो बहुत ज़्यादा डाल दी, उसकी क्वांटिटी है वो बहुत ज़्यादा डाल दी, वाटर से भी ज़्यादा डाल दी. उसमें जो वाटर था उसमें हमने क्या डाल दिया, बेस के पार्टिकल डाल दिए, बेस. बट द बेस, द क्वांटिटी ऑफ बेस वी एडेड इज मच मोर. So when the quantity of base is more, the quantity means the concentration of base is more, then this kind of bases are called concentrated bases. So concentrated bases have high concentration. Concentration means quantity of base in aqueous solution. Aqueous solution means पानी में जो हमने solution बनाया है. This is simple. So similarly for acid also there are dilute acids, there are concentrated acids. Same, when you add very little acid in water, then it is called dilute acids, and when you add more quantity of acid in water, then these are called concentrated acids. And after that there are some questions which you will solve on the basis of all the topics till date. सारे जितने भी टॉपिक आज तक मैंने करवाए हैं उनके बेसिस पे आपने ये क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करने हैं. These questions I will send you also. That's all for today.